IDoTV!
Hi guys, welcome to IDoTV. I'm Rose. Today, I want to share a simple teaching tool. It's a guessing board. What you need is laminator, laminating sheet, post-it, tape, guessing materials, Velcro, anything transparent and stiff as possible. I'm using a black electrical tape. Check the size of the post-it you have. It helps to fix the board so that it doesn't move. The two layers are appropriate so that the picture isn't shown. You can draw alphabets or pictures instead of numbers. You can mix the numbers randomly. Attach Velcro here so that the picture doesn't slip off. Now let's find out how to play games on this board. You can change pictures like this.
My favorite number is 18. What's your favorite number? My favorite number is 13. Dynamite! What's it? I'm Dynamite! What's your favorite number? My favorite number is 2. 1월이 아니, you got a 3. 예찬봉
Thank you for watching. Have a fun day. Bye bye.